Now, it always seems that everyone is obsessed with collagen. I mean, we talk about it a lot here. And collagen is important. It is the scaffolding that holds everything together in your body, including your skin. But there's another protein-based structure in your skin that almost no one supplements for, and that is elastin. And it's easy to think of collagen and elastin as the same because we often mention them in the same sentence. However, elastin itself plays an entirely different role in the health of your body and skin than does your collagen, although they do work incredibly close together to make everything stay in place. While collagen gives your skin resiliency, thickness, and firmness, it's actually elastin that allows it to stretch and snap back into place. And unfortunately, as we get older, just as collagen begins to degrade in our bodies, so does elastin. Those fibers begin to become stiffer, they actually fray, and it is a certain peptide or amino acid chain that in supplementation can actually improve elastin fibers, bring back their stretchability. And in today's video, we're going to talk about that because for the first time ever, there's real research on the dietary peptide that may actually help you rebuild it, not just protect what you have left. All right, since this new research has been released, you may have seen some ads that look a little bit like this, showing how to get skin to go from looking like this to this, all surrounding what we've been calling in the past collagen peptides or collagen peptide supplementation. And for a quick refresher, collagen in the body, no matter how old you are, is always abundant. It counts for roughly a third of the protein in your body, and it is replenished over time as we get older, day in and day out. And of course, we've seen in both recent research studies and along with people's personal experience how replacing those amino acids or collagen peptides in the diet can actually help improve your body's ability to manufacture and rebuild your collagen levels or keep them stable as well. Your body lays down almost all of the elastin you have for your entire life by the end of your 20s. After that, you're not really rebuilding it. You're slowly losing it to things like overexposure to the sun and a family of enzymes the body actually produces that help break it down over time. That's why elastin issues show up as that loose, saggy skin, giving you less of that bounce back when you pinch your skin like I'm doing here. Mine bounces back. We'll talk about that in just a minute. And even impressions from the clothes you wear or the sheets you sleep on seem to stick around in your skin all day long. So the question really isn't then how do I support and protect the collagen that I do have? It's can you actually signal your body to make more? The short answer is yes, all based on research studies that now show that a certain collagen peptide amino acid can actually help turn back the time on your very own elastin fibers, helping them to repair and encourage further growth. Which brings me to my own skin pinching test earlier and why my skin at 62 years old is not droopy and saggy and why it pops back into place is because for a very long time, I have been taking this peptide, although I didn't know it was specific to this issue, along with other supplementation in my diet. Since I was in my late teens when I was battling a set of skin problems, which of course is how I got into all of this, this particular peptide has been a part of my diet for a very long time, and the mechanism of it all has to do with dipeptide signaling. So here's where it gets interesting. When you eat hydrolyzed elastin, meaning that it's been broken down into very short chains, your digestive system isn't able to break it down completely. Some of it survives as intact dipeptides, which are two amino acid chains linked together. And in clinical research, when fibroblasts, the cells in your body that are responsible for producing elastin fibers and building all of your skin's structural proteins, are exposed to these fragments, two things happen. Your fibroblasts actually proliferate, creating a synthesis of new structural proteins, and these same fragments inhibit the very enzymes that your body produces that have been breaking down your elastin fibers over time. So a two-sided effect, more building, less breaking down. And because a lot of this research is very new, I want to be upfront, it doesn't have the decades deep research that we've seen that collagen and collagen peptides have. But when looking at individuals like myself and personal experience, someone who has had, although be it inadvertently, these same proteins or amino acids in my diet for so long, the results are fairly obvious. So of course that means in the wellness and skincare industry, there are a ton of brands scouring ways in which to produce these particular types of peptides and get them out. And because they're often associated with collagen peptides or regular collagen supplementation, it can get very confusing. But as always, I will put recommendations below where you can get these peptides verified that are going to be specific to elastin rebuilding in your body. So while I always encourage you to go out there and do your own research and find your own stuff, I will have my personal list down below. So that said, let's talk about where these peptides actually come from, how they're sourced, so that you understand the difference. When we talk about collagen peptides, there are about 17 to 19 in a formula of these amino acids that can be added to the diet to help support collagen production. Hands down, I agree with that. I take collagen peptides every day myself. Those collagen peptides that I'm talking about are animal sourced. They're bovine, usually from grass-fed beef. Also get them naturally in your diet from foods like chicken, especially chicken skin has a lot of the peptide amino acids you need for your body to rebuild collagen. Also things like bone broth. But of course, there are many supplementations out there. I even have them in my own brand that can be very beneficial when it comes to collagen building. But it is a marine-based collagen peptide that is the one that actually affects your fibroblast in a way to encourage repair of the elastin fibers in your skin, keeping your skin lifted and tight, taut, and if you're having sagging skin issues, can be a huge benefit to you, especially if you've lost a lot of weight quickly, which we see with all of the weight loss drugs on the market today. A lot of people come to me asking for help in this area where they have sagging skin, and not discounting other treatments we talk about on the channel or the exercises that I talk about you can do to help with this problem. I always say the best results always seem to come from when we work from the inside out. So this marine collagen peptide that I'm talking about, especially when it is combined with two other things. First, vitamin C, which assists in the chemical step of properly forming this amino acid chain. Same thing for collagen peptides or bovine collagen peptides. Vitamin C has been shown to improve the efficacy, absorption of, and results of those peptides when taken in the diet. And when combined with copper, activates lysyl oxidase, which is the enzyme responsible for cross-linking your elastin fibers so they actually hold their structure instead of becoming loose or staying loose and disorganized. So marine collagen peptides, the real winner when it comes to elastin production, especially from bonito fish, if it's sourced from bonito fish. And the reason bonito fish is such a great source of this peptide is because it's naturally high in elastin itself. And when combined together in a formulation along with vitamin C and or copper or both, you're going to see a lot more absorption much faster, much more improvement in sagging skin much faster. Again, all of this from the inside out. Now, I hope you found today's video helpful in understanding how marine collagen peptides can be more benefit toward elastin fiber production and support, bringing back that elasticity and tightness into the skin from the inside out, versus collagen peptides, which are very important as well, that support collagen production in the skin, which gives back your skin its thickness and plumpness. If you did, please like it, share it, let me know in the comments below. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you, as always, for watching today, supporting my work. I really, really appreciate you being a part of my world. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.